In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove your keyboard pressing sounds on Twitch. Removing your keyboard sounds on Twitch isn't done in Twitch itself. You fix it in your streaming software, OBS, Streamlabs, or in your mic setup before the sound reaches Twitch. Here's the step-by-step guide to fix. So use a noise suppression filter in your OBS Studio or Streamlabs. Just go to the platform and under sources, as you can see, I added my microphone as my input device. Now I'm just selecting the microphone and here clicking on filters. Now clicking on this plus icon and adding noise suppression filter. And here method, select RN noise, good quality, more CPU usage. So this is the best option. Or you can select specs, low CPU usage, low quality. If you select this option, then here you get the suppression level. Start the suppression level from -20 dB and go ahead and test your microphone and your keyboard sounds. And then we have to add another filter. So click on this plus icon, this time select noise gate, and here close threshold, add -38 dB. Open threshold, add -32 dB, and attack time 25 ms, hold time 200 ms, release time 150 ms. Then just go ahead and check your microphone and your keyboard sound and click on close. Now all you have to need, go ahead and start streaming your OBS to your Twitch, and that's how we can actually remove our keyboard sound or noise from our Twitch.